All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, so we're gonna use our Russian tie to get to a double leg, assuming our opponent tries to square up with us. So Chris is gonna go to reach, tricep grip, wrist grip, here. He's gonna use a post to square up with me. I'm gonna take that post, I'm gonna pop it up with my opposite side arm as I shoot in for my double. Same thing as before, driving the bus, step it up, finishing the double. So let's look at that one more time. Boom, post, step,